In this video, I'll show you how to change the input of your LG Smart TV in case you want to do it without any remote control. So the first step is to locate the power button that is under the TV. Sometimes it's on the right side, sometimes it's on the left side. Mine is right in the middle. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the TV, and right over here is the power button. So no matter where you are on your TV, you're gonna give a small tap on that power button. Do not keep it pressed, just a small tap like this. And a menu will appear down below. You'll have power off, inputs, volume up, down, channel down. To select inputs, you need to give a small tap, and this menu disappears if you do not select anything during 10 seconds. So let me tap once to make it appear, tap once to select input, and then long tap, keep it pressed to select inputs. Okay, great, we're in the inputs menu. Now by clicking once on it, I'll be able to shuffle through the different inputs. This is my Roku stick. I tap another time, it'll go to antenna. I tap again, and it'll go to HDMI 2. That has nothing, as you see. And this way I can shuffle through the different connected device. If you have 3 HDMI devices connected, every time you're gonna tap, it will switch from one to another. Once you're done, just wait, and the menu down below will disappear, and you'll be able to use the input you have selected. So this is it. I hope this was useful. You can also use this, as you saw, to change the volume or channels without any remote control. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.